Quito is the capital of. The option D is correct. None of these. A senator is elected in Pakistan for. The option C is correct. For 6 years. When was Hajj declared as obligatory? The option C is correct. In 9 Hijri. Which is odd one out for the given options? The option D is correct. 65. Because 65 is the only one not evenly divisible by 7. Muhammad bin Qasim attacked Sindh in. The option D is correct. In 712 Anno Domini. After the concert, everyone and clapped. The option B is correct. Rose. Mr. Antonio Guterres has been selected as the next Secretary General of the United Nations. To which country does he belong? Mr. Antonio Guterres has been selected as the next Secretary General of the United Nations. To which country does he belong? The option D is correct. Portugal. The option D is correct. Portugal. Which word conveys the meaning of once in a blue moon? The option A is correct. Rarely. Kanpur Mosque tragedy took place in. The option C is correct. In 1913. The book Jinnah, India Partition, Independence was written by. The option C is correct. Jaswant Singh. World Olympics 2016 was held at. The option C is correct. Rio de Janeiro. Orangutans belongs to the ape family. From which language is the name orangutan taken? The option A is correct. Bahasa Malay. How many marlas are there in 1 acre? The option A is correct. 160. They have put speed bumps on the road to accidents. The option C is correct. Prevent. The first issue of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad's newspaper Al Hilal came out on 13th July in. The option A is correct. In 1912. Synonym of defiant is. The option A is correct. Disobedient. Choose the synonym of partisan. The option B is correct. Supporter. Who was the chairman of Boundary Commission at the time of partition? The option A is correct. Sir Cyril Radcliffe. Ashes series of cricket is played between. The option A is correct. Australia and England. Ethiopia was formerly known as. The option A is correct. Abyssinia. If the wages of 6 men for 15 days be Rs 2100, then find the wages of 9 men for 12 days. The option B is correct. 2520. The only mosque in the world with 6 minarets is the Blue Mosque or the Mosque of Sultan Ahmad. It is located in. Option B is correct. Istanbul. Masakin was the title given to one of the wives of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The option C is correct. Hazrat Zainab bint Khwazma. ये मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है, ये पहले भी आ चुका है, इसको गौर से देखना है. Who is the president of Cuba? The option C is correct. Raul Castro. Antonym of validate is. The option A is correct. Disprove. National Reconciliation Ordinance was promulgated in the year. The option C is correct. In 2007. According to the 1973 Constitution, the President is the titular head of the state. Who elect the presidents? The option A is correct. The Senate, National and Provincial Assemblies. What does being under a cloud mean? The option C is correct. Out of favor. Who wrote India Wins Freedom? The option C is correct. Abdul Kalam Azad. At the time of Lucknow Pact, Quaid-e-Azam was. The option B is correct. Member of both Muslim Leagues and Congress. Which river is called the Nile of Pakistan? The option B is correct. Indus. One of the longest tunnels in South Asia is the Khojak Tunnel. Where is it located? The option A is correct. Balochistan. ये भी most repeated question है. 1 mile is equal to how many feet? The option C is correct. 5,280. ये भी most repeated है. Which country has recently left the Commonwealth Organization? The option A is correct. Maldives. Which component of diet prevents constipation? The option B is correct. Fiber. Satpara Lake is located closed to. The option A is correct. Skardu. What does LRMS stand for? Option B is correct. Land Record Management Information System.